Isomerism in alkane. To study about the isomerism in homolog series of alkane and to learn how to draw the structure formula and naming the alkane isomers, the basic knowledge needs to make us easy to study about the topic. Basically, the isomerism in alkane is starting from butane, because methane, ethane and propane don't have isomer. So what is the meaning of isomerism? Isomerism is the phenomenon whereby two or more molecules are found to have the same molecular formula. Two or more molecules have same molecular formula. So what is the isomers? Isomers are molecules which have the same molecular formula, have same the molecular formula but different structure formula. Same molecular formula means same number and type of atoms. Different structure formula mean different structure. Molecule have different structure formula. In drawing structure formula and naming molecule of alkane or alkane isomers, we need to understand about this word below that will be used during drawing the structure formula. What is the straight chain? Straight chain is the arrangement of carbon atoms in the molecule follow like this shape, and this shape, L shape and vertical. All the arrangement of carbon atom like this shape is called straight chain. How about branch chain? Branch chain when the carbon atoms in the molecule arranged like this shape, uppercase T, lowercase t, and like this shape. This shape or this molecule is called branch chain. How about parent chain? Parent chain is the higher number of carbon atom in straight chain. Side chain is the alkane that present or position at branch as alkyl group. Alkyl group and alkane which one hydrogen atom has been removed. So alkane position at branch we call alkyl group. For the example, the name of the molecule in homolog series of alkane which molecular formula CH4 we call methane. When methane present at the branch, the molecular formula becomes CH3 and carbon atom will sharing one pair of electron with other carbon atom in a straight chain. So it become alkyl group and we call methyl. C2H6 ethane, and when exists or position at the branch we call ethyl. Before we draw the structure formula and naming alkane isomers, we look to the steps, and maybe this step can help us or to make us easily to draw the structure formula and naming alkane isomers. Okay, first step, write the molecular formula for the molecule alkane. Number 2, use total number of carbon atom to draw all possible straight chain, branch chain. So we refer to the molecular formula to get the number of carbon atoms. And the last one, varying the carbon atoms in straight chain and branch chain, and to get the alkane isomers. Let's try to find the isomers for butane. The molecular formula of butane is C4H10, and we use the total number of carbon atoms to draw the possible straight chain, branch chain. So first we try arrange all the 4 number of carbon atom in a straight chain. We numbering the carbon atom. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, and carbon number 4. So all 4 carbon atom in the molecule bonded by single covalent bond each other, and carbon 1 sharing another 3 pair electron with 3 hydrogen atom. Carbon number 2 sharing another 2 pair electron with 2 hydrogen atom. Carbon number 3 sharing 2 pair electron with 2 hydrogen atom. and carbon 4 sharing 3 pair electron with 3 hydrogen atom. So the total number of carbon for hydrogen 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number of carbon atom and the number of hydrogen atom match with the molecular formula C4H10. When we arrange the 4 number of carbon atom and the 10 of hydrogen atom in the shape L shape, vertical shape and U shape, it's still the same molecule and it's still we call straight chain. So this molecule is butane. Next, we try to arrange the number of carbon atom C4 and the number of hydrogen atom 10 like this, or other shape than this shape, numbering the carbon atom, carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3 and carbon number 4. So we calculate the number of carbon atom is 4 and the number of hydrogen atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this structure, the number of carbon atom is 4 and the number of hydrogen atom is 10. This what we call branch chain and this we call straight chain. When this arrangement of carbon atom and hydrogen atom we arrange like this shape or like this shape or like this shape, it's still the same branch chain or the same molecule. And the reason is why this shape still the same molecule like this, because the molecule always rotate and are in motion. To name this molecule, first we need to find parent chain and side chain. We need to numbering the carbon atom in the molecule to get the longest or the higher number of carbon atom to be labeled as parent chain. To get the parent chain, we start the numbering of carbon atom from here. Carbon number 1, 2, 3. 3 number of carbon. 1, 2, 3. 3 number of carbon. 1, 2, 3. 3 number of carbon. And 1, 2, 3. So better we use this straight chain as a parent chain. So when this become parent chain, this molecule become side chain. To write the name of the molecule after we get the parent chain and side chain, we need to write first the parent chain. So what is the parent chain? Number of carbon atom is 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 number of carbon atom. 3 number of carbon atom in homolog series of alkane is propane. Next, we write the name of the side chain. The number of carbon atom is 1 and the hydrogen atom is 3. So when alkane position at branch, it will become alkyl group. So what is the alkyl group? C1H3 methyl. So we write methyl propane. The last step, we need to know which carbon atom present the alkyl group methyl. We refer to the branch chain and numbering the carbon atom from number 1, 2, 3 and others based on the longest of the chain. The alkyl group must be nearest with the starting of the chain. This is alkyl group present at this carbon atom. To left, when we numbering carbon atom from here, 1, 2. So alkyl group at carbon number 2. When we numbering this carbon, starting from carbon number 1, 1, 2. So we numbering carbon 1 from left, the position of the alkyl group at carbon number 2, From right, the position of alkyl group still at carbon number 2, so we can choose either one, from left or from right. So like this, we choose from left, 1, 2. So the location of alkyl group at carbon number 2. So 2 methyl propane. Let's say we numbering carbon number 1 from right. 1, 2. So the name of the molecule still the same, 2 methyl propane.